Alright guys, it's the big day. The crib hunt's officially begun. You guys packed and ready?
I got all my stuff right here.
You sure your parents are okay with this?
Let a dog run free, will ya? Here's the plan. Like the goat man said yesterday, there's 4 main UCEs we're looking for. We find any of them and we're on our way to success. Wonder what happens when we find multiple.
We need a starting point though, yeah?
I'm getting to it. I know a guy who knows a girl who knows a mutt who heard the workers at this crypt museum over in History City. They might know a thing or two where we might be able to get tracked down the Shogun of the West.
That's the coolest UCE. It's Urple.
Guess I'll have to do my research when we get there. Wait, how are we getting there?
Truck.
Truck? You have one?
I will. Got some guy willing to pawn it off in exchange for some hut info.
A whole truck just for a lead?
Dog eat dog world. You know how it is.
What?
Oh, truckie! Truck guy! Where is that dickhead?
Do you even know his name?
It's in a name anyhow. All that matters is...
Are you okay?
I'm fine, stupid duck.
Oh, he has a little hat.
Fuck his little hat! Where's my truck?
Where'd Junior go?
Huh? He's right there.
The duck?
That's speciest.
Junior's a dog. He's also not made out of rubber.
I have no idea what you're talking about. Come on, Junior. Let's go check around town for our guy.
Okay. Junior, if you're out there, me and Shell are gonna go look for the truck.
No one here either.
Other than more ducks.
No one as good as our duck. Isn't that right, Junior?
Are you gaslighting me?
I don't even know what that word means.
Whatever. Let's go ask Alex if she knows what's going on.
Ugh, I'd rather not.
Why rather would?
Hey, bestie.
Gah! You two need to get out of here.
Why? What's going on?
Move!
Alex!
Just as I thought. They're zombies.
What?
It's an outbreak. If a duck touches you, you become one yourself. You better scram before...
For what exactly? Oh my god, it is zombies! The Junior...
Get the mutt! Let's worry about ourselves!
We can't just leave Junior!
He's a duck now! Worry about us!
Wait, I knew you were gaslighting me!
Shut up. Lance, if I die, I want you to take this.
What?
It's a gun!
I see that!
They're closing in! This way!
Shell!
Ugh, we're surrounded.
In there!
The ominous ass tent that wasn't there a day ago? Yeah, sure, why not?
It's so dark in here.
This is totally a trap, isn't it? Of course!
Bells and lady bells. Please welcome our very special guest to the stage. The only 100% certified free-range show in the entire NUS for the future of all duck kind. Welcome, everyone, to Mr. Bubba's Ducktacular Show.
On tonight's show, you'll feast your eyes on sights never before seen. A marvelous myriad of spectacular spectacles and rambunctious rubular glory. Grab those squeakers, and don't forget your bath bombs, folks. Throw your cares away and splish and splash all day. You'll never want to leave this paradise when you see what we're cooking up, folks. And I'm not talking about the duck soup. I'm your host, Mr. Rubba, and these are... Nang!
Lance Lightway?
Jane Doe.
Lance and Jane! What you see before you is our first ever show of many.
I don't know if you noticed, but no one's at your dumb show.
Oh, but I've got everyone in town. And once I win the crypt hunt, my shows will be the biggest in the entire NUS. Now witness the power of Super Rub-a-Dub.
Is this it? Hey!
Will he fight, or will he flight?
I'm not leaving without my best buds. They must need direct contact to turn me.
Yerp.
Huh?
No, my only weakness. A gun.
Pew, 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 pew. Pew, 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 pew.
Enough! You want to fight? You'll get a fight. Nobody ruins my show. Not you, not that pussycat, not anyone.
How about him?
Quack. Yeah, you fools! You'll never understand. Rubber is beauty. I've created the perfect life form. It's better than... Oh, quiet. Uh-oh.
Sick kick, Broseph.
Yeah.
We make a pretty good team, huh?
You left me for dead!
Hey, I gave you his weakness, didn't I?
How'd you
A
know?
good witch never tells her greatest secrets.
What do we do with the perp?
We shouldn't keep him as a toy, should we?
That'd be cruel. Where he truly belongs is prison.
Thank you, Lance. Really.
It's cool. I'd do anything for my bested bud in the whole wide world.
Seriously, you're a hero to the people here. We could make a pretty good team during the hunt, you know.
Well,
Hey, Lance, I got the truck.
I think I gotta figure out my own path out there.
I understand.
See you later, Alex Gator?
Yeah. See you soon, Lancelot.